Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.5 question number 2. Complete the entries in the third column of the table. Here equation is given 10y is equal to 80, value of the variable y is equal to 10. If we take y equal to 10, that is, let us take question number A. Question number A is here. Question number A is 10y is equal to 80. Right? First we take left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 10y, 10, and value of the variable y is 10, that is 10 into 10 is equal to 100, right? But 100 is not equal to 80. Therefore, the equation satisfied? No. No. Now B. B is 10y equal to 80. 10y is equal to 80. Left hand side is equal to 10 into y. What is the value of y? 8. That is 8. 8 times 80. That means LHS, left hand side, is equal to right hand side. Therefore, this equation satisfied. Therefore, the answer is yes. Now, question number C. C is 10y. C is 10y is equal to 80 and y is equal to 5. Left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 10y and y is equal to 5. That is 10y is equal to 10 into 5, that is 50. 50 is not equal to 80. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, the answer is no. Next question D. Question number D is, here you see 4L. 4L is equal to 20 and the value of L is 20. Therefore, left hand side, that is 4L, value of L is 20. Value of L is D 20. 4 into 20, that is 80. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is doesn't satisfy. The answer is no. Then question number E. Question number E is, you see, question number E is 4L equal to 20. 4L equal to 20 and left hand side is 4L. 4L and the value of L is 4 into, what is that? DE. L is 80. L is 80. 80 in 4 is 32. 320 is not equal to, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy. Question number is no. Now we solve question number F. Question number F is, you see, now let us rub this one. Now we shall discuss about question number F. Here you see, question number F is, let us rub this one, and if we solve question number F, what is question number F? You see, question number F is question number F. Question number F, here you see, question number F is 4L equal to 20. 4L is equal to 20 and left hand side is equal to 4L equal to 4L and the value of L is 4 into F. The value of L is 5. F is 5, that is 4 5 is 20. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it satisfied the equation. Therefore, it is yes. Now, question number G. Question number G is 5 b plus 5 b plus 5 is equal to 9. Left hand side equal to b plus 5, b plus 5. What is the value of b? Value of b is 5, that is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side, not equal to right hand side. Therefore, this doesn't satisfy. Therefore, the answer is no. Next, h. H is, what is h? H is b plus 5 equal to 9. B plus 5 is equal to 9. The left hand side is b plus 5 is equal to b plus 5. What is the value of b? The value of b is 9. That is 9 plus 5, that is 14. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side, not equal to right hand side. Therefore, the answer is no. I, the question number I is b plus 5 equal to 9. B plus 5 is equal to 9 and value of b is 4. Left hand side, that is b plus 5 is equal to b plus 5 and value of b is 4, that is 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9, which is equal to right hand side. That is a left hand side is equal to right hand side. The left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it satisfies the equation. Therefore, it is yes. Question number I is yes. Now, question number J. What is question number J? You see, now we'll drop this one. If we rub this one, what you are getting, you see, we are rubbing this one. I have completed. Now question number J. Question number J is, you see, what is question number J? Let us take question number I. Question number J is, question number J, what is J? Is given. J is h minus 8. H minus 8 is equal to 5. And left hand side is equal to h minus 8. H minus 8. And what is the value of h? The value of h is 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 5. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side, is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it satisfies the equation. Therefore, J is yes. It is, the answer will be yes. It satisfies the equation. Then K, the value of K, you see, what is K? K is h minus 8 is equal to 5. H minus 8 is equal to 5. Left hand side is equal to h minus 8. What is the value of h? The value of h is 8. 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy. Therefore, it is no. It is no. Next question, JKL. L is h minus 8 equal to 5 again. L minus h minus 8 is equal to 5. That is left hand side is equal to h minus 8. What is the value of h in L? Value of h is 0. L, value of h is 0. That is 0 minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. It is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is, the value is no. Then M, question number M is M. What is M? M is p plus 3 equal to 1. P plus 3 is equal to 1. What is the value of P? Left hand side is p plus 3 is equal to p plus 3. What is the value of p? The value of p is 3. That is 3 plus 3 equal to 6. That is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy the equation. Therefore, it is no. Now, question number N. What is question number N? You see, question number N is p plus 3 equal to 1. P plus 3 is equal to 1. The value of p is equal to 1. Left hand side the left hand side is equal to p plus 3, p plus 3, and the value of p is taken as 1. That is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy the equation. Therefore, the answer is no. Next, we will solve question number P and Q. Now, we will solve question number M and O. Question number O is Question number O is p plus 3 equal to 1. P plus 3 is equal to 1. Left hand side is equal to p plus 3. P plus 3, and the value of p is 0. 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. It doesn't satisfy the equation. The answer is no. Then P, question number P is p plus 3 equal to 1. P plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, left hand side equal to p plus 3. What is the value of p? Equal to minus 1. The value of p is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to plus 2. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, it doesn't satisfy the equation. Therefore, the answer is no. The answer is no. And the last question, Q is p plus 3 equal to 1. P plus 3 is equal to 1. The value of p is minus 2. The value of p is minus 2. Therefore, left hand side equal to p plus 3. P plus 3. The value of p is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3, that means equal to 1. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, you can say that this is an equation. It satisfies the equation. Therefore, the answer will be yes. This is the solution of question number 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.